Hello, my name is JC Peralta from 7 Integrity. I'm going to show to you the different electrical tools, devices, and materials. Number 1. Combination pliers, used for bending, cutting, holding, and splicing wires. Number 2. Flat screwdriver, used for loosen and tighten screws with flat head or resembles negative sign at the tip. Number 3. Phillips screwdriver, used for loosen and tighten screws with cross head or resembles positive sign at the tip. Number 4. Clamps, used to hold and fix electrical conduits. Number 5. Switch, used to turn on and off electrical circuit. Number 6. Claw hammer, used for grinding or pounding and pulling out nails.